Good evening. Today is Friday, January 12, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, January 12, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for January 12, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, January 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.